Jubilees 10 verse 3. And thou knowest how thy watchers, the fathers of these spirits, acted in my day. And as for these spirits which are living, imprison them and hold them fast in the place of condemnation. And let them not bring destruction on the sons of thy servant my God. For these are malignant, and created in order to destroy. In the record of Jubilees 10 verse 3, we find a critical legal petition from Noah during a time of great spiritual unrest. Following the flood, the spirits of the watchers, the fallen messengers, began to lead Noah's grandchildren astray, causing them to fall into folly and spiritual malfunction. Noah, acting as the high priest and jurisdictional head of his household, stood before the Creator to file a formal request that these malignant spirits be bound and removed from the presence of the righteous so they could not corrupt the renewed earth. Historically, this verse represents the establishment of spiritual boundaries. It shows that the patriarchs understood they had the legal standing to petition for the removal of dark influences from their territory. Noah wasn't just praying for help. He was asking for a restraining order against the demonic forces that remained after the judgment of the flood. This moment defined the relationship between the human priesthood and the unseen realms, proving that the righteous have the authority to demand a clean record for their lineage. In our current transition toward the 2028 restoration, Jubilees 10 verse 3 serves as the manual for jurisdictional protection. It teaches us that we must actively petition for the binding of the malfunctioning spirits that plague the modern world. It is the realization that the same spirits of the fallen are still attempting to lead the seed of the covenant into folly. Noah's petition is our precedent. It confirms that we have the right to declare our lives and environments as no-fly zones for spiritual corruption. The main takeaways from this record are the power of the intercessory petition and the reality of the ongoing legal war. Noah's success in this plea led to the binding of 9/10 of the spirits, proving that the king hears the formal complaints of his people. Today, we use this script to remind ourselves that we are not victims of spiritual chaos. We are the authorized representatives of the High Court, empowered to clear our jurisdiction of every unclean influence as we prepare for the king's return. Check the comments for 100% free resources and join our school community. Like, share, subscribe, and let your light shine.